This is a camera bag I bought on Amazon for like 45 euros, very cheap. They came with a very unique stink. It doesn't come off. It's been like a week or 2 weeks maybe, and the stink just doesn't come off. Whoa, what happened here? Is that rust? I left it on the balcony to get some sunlight, to trying to get rid of this stink. I don't know what kind of stink it is. It's kind of paint or something. It smells like chemical. Very disgusting. If I leave this bag in my room for a night, my room will stink for 2 days. So the only choice is to leave it outside. But it doesn't really help much because it still stinks. And I read online that you need to use vinegar to wash it in order to clean the odor. So we're gonna try just that. Actually, I left it in the rain for a day or two as well, so it's a little bit, I don't know. Feels bad, man. It's a cheap bag, but it seems nice, but the only problem is it stinks so much I just can't stand it, can't use it. I don't even want to touch it. Alright, now we're gonna go to the supermarket and go get some vinegar to wash this damn bag. Alright. So I'm going to get vinegar. Also, I need to wash my bag. Did you see the bag? What?
They came together and thought this one.
To come together to trade marijuana and drugs.
Yeah.
Day, not at all. I'm really bored. Just bring my camera with me to shoot whatever. Shoot really boring stuff because I don't care anymore. It's green, it's spring, it's nice, it's a little bit windy, a little bit cold. Yeah, it's beautiful. Shoe Center has a cat on the cartoon cat with shoes on the billboard. It's cute. The supermarket. So there's this kind of bed in the supermarket. It is awesome. I'll get it one day. It's only 60 euros. 60 only. Very good. Get this. Sleep on the thing.
Seleziona il tipo di pagamento.
This on my head even.
Right. It is time to deal with this once and for all. I got a vinegar, I think. Aceto. Acid. At least I hope with this. And then there's the bag. Am I in the shot? Seems good. How am I gonna do this? Right. Put it inside maybe? And then I'm not sure if it's getting better. It's gonna take The thing is that at least I know now that the bag is waterproof. The inside is completely dry. Yeah, kinda. Obviously, it still stinks. I don't know how much wash does it take to clean that completely. I'm not sure if it's working at all, but we're gonna try it. We have no other choices. That's the only chance. I should really read the online article again. How much vinegar do I should use? I have no idea. I'm just pouring as much as I want. Oof. I think we need to bring it into the shower and just. I'm done and hope it worked. Yeah, that's it. And what I'm gonna update to you whether or not it worked. I'll let you know. I'm actually holding the camera with a tripod. It's actually pretty steady, isn't it? The tripod is heavy. I can't hold much longer. Gotta go.